Portraits gain personality when colors are stylized deliberately, and this workflow will help you create striking, professional results. How to create stylized portrait toning. Launch Photoshop and open your portrait on a 2000 pixel canvas, converting it to a smart object. Apply a gradient map adjustment layer, choosing complementary highlight and shadow tones that enhance facial features and mood. Adjust midpoint sliders for smooth transitions and lower opacity to control intensity. Use layer masks to isolate the face or key areas so the toning remains subtle. Add curves and selective color adjustments to refine depth, vibrancy, and